A very good afternoon, sir. It is Sajjan Tyag in front of you. Today's topic is place. Availment of a delivery of a personal property to a creditor as a security for a debit or for the performance of an act. Sometimes called bailment, plays are a form of security to assure that a person will repay a debt or perform an act under contract. In a play, one person temporarily gets possession of properties to another party. A place loans properties for the cash and guaranteed that contract work will be done. Every place has three parts to separate parties: a debit or obligation and contract of place. The law of place is quite old, but in competition US laws, it is governed in most states by the provision for security transaction in the article of the Uniform Commission Code. Plays are different from sales. In a sales, both possession and ownership of a property are permanently transferred to the buyers. In a place, only parties, the first party retains ownership of the property in a question, while the second party takes possession of the properties until the term of the contract are satisfied.
Now going to say about pledge. Pledge are the different from the skin and scalar. Both possessions and ownership of property are in a transfer. In a pledge, only possession passes to a shortly part party. The first party retains the ownership of the property, and the second party retains the questions with the second party trades. Party takes profession of the contract until the contractor can be satisfied. The second party must also have the aligned and the legal documents for the property. Satisfy the debtor. Any scale process for the paid to a debtor for the first party, and the second. But in a scale does not have the legal action may be essential.
Hi, I am Suraj, and my topic is contract of pledge and bailment. In section for 148 in 1872, at that time the contract of bailment and pledge. In bailment is that the delivery of goods and services to their point and decompose the according to their request and accomplizations of the contract is that. And the second thing is that difference between contract and pledge. And in difference, bailment provides some special repair and safe product security, and otherwise pledge provide you security and the safety and repayment of loan. And second thing, in bailment there are no reaction to use product, and in pledge there are no right to use goods. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. This is Yogesh Mishra in front of you. My topic is contract of pledge. Section 172 of the Contract Act define pledge or pawn as following: the availment of goods as security for payment as debt or performance of promise is called pledge. The wailer in this case is called pawner, and pledge is a special kind of bailment where a movable thing is bailed as security for the repayment of debt or rights of pleasure. Rights to redeem pledged goods. Second is rights to receive any increased profit from pledged goods. Rights of pledgee and pawnee. First rights to retain the pledged goods. Second is rights to extraordinary expenses. Third is rights in case of default of pawnee. Duties of pledger or pawner. Duty to repay the loan. Second is to pay the extraordinary expenses incurred by the pawnee. Duties of pawnee. Duty do not use the pledged goods. The pawnee must not use the goods pledged by the pawnee. Second is duty to return the pledged goods. Thank you so much.